Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make 2-layer Hojicha cheesecake. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 15 cm cake pan with parchment paper. In a food processor, process the graham cookies, Hojicha powder, and melted butter until the cookies become fine powder and evenly moistened. You can use any type of cookies for the crust. Fill the prepared cake pan and press the mixture firmly into the bottom of the cake pan. You can use a small cup or a rolling pin. Chill in the refrigerator until ready to use. In a food processor, add cream cheese and sugar and mix until smooth. Add Greek yogurt and continue processing. Add an egg and mix. Make sure to scrape the sides every time you add the ingredients to make the batter smooth. Add heavy cream and keep mixing. Sift the flour and the Hojicha powder together and add to the cheese mixture and combine. Pass the mixture through a sieve to make it smooth. Pour the cheese filling over the chilled crust. Place it on the baking sheet and bake at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes until the top is set. Take out from the oven and let the cheesecake cool, then refrigerate for at least a few hours to overnight. In a small bowl, mix water and gelatin powder and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to bloom. In a bowl, mix the cream cheese and sugar until it becomes smooth. Mix in Greek yogurt. Add Hojicha powder and mix well. Microwave the bloomed gelatin for about 10 seconds to melt. Add a small portion of the cheese mixture to the melted gelatin and mix well. Pour back the gelatin mixture to the cheese mixture and mix until uniform. Pass the mixture through a sieve to make it smooth. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream until soft peaks form. Combine the whipped cream and the cream cheese mixture together until uniform. Pour the cheese mousse over the chilled Hojicha cheesecake and tap it on the counter to make the surface smooth. Chill the cake in the refrigerator for at least a few hours. Take it from the refrigerator and remove from the pan. Add powdered sugar to heavy cream and whip until stiff peaks form. Pipe the whipped cream on the edges of the cheesecake. This cheesecake can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. I hope you enjoy making this delicious Hojicha cheesecake and sharing it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.